Hi guys, it's Marc Asset here again and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into Ripple, also known as XRP, one of the most talked about projects in crypto right now. Ripple or XRP, it is often called the bank in crypto, and let's break down why. While most cryptocurrencies are trying to replace banks, Ripple is doing the opposite. It's working with them. Ripple and its token, XRP, are designed to move money around the world in seconds, faster, cheaper, and more efficient than any traditional banking system. So, what exactly is Ripple, and why do banks love it? Ripple is the real-time global payment network used mainly by banks and financial institutions for fast cross-border settlements. You can think of Ripple as kind of banking crypto. It allows payments to move instantly between different entities, often across countries. The Ripple network is managed by a private company called Ripple Labs Inc., but the underlying technology is open source, meaning anyone can technically run a node or connect to it. And just like Bitcoin and Ethereum, it uses a distributed ledger to record transactions securely and transparently. Now, Ripple has its own cryptocurrencies, as probably you know, XRP. And XRP is the native token that powers the Ripple network. You will often hear people say, I bought Ripple or I sent 50 Ripples. But what they really mean is XRP. Basically, it's designed to make conversions between currencies fast and cheap, whether you are sending US dollars, euros, or yen. The system is highly scalable, capable of handling over 1,500 transactions per second. Now, why Ripple exists? Ripple was created to solve one major problem: slow and expensive international payments. Traditional banks rely on a network called SWIFT, which can take days to move money across borders and is costly. Ripple does it in just a few seconds and with fees that are usually less than 1 cent. For banks, that's a game changer. Okay guys, let's make a little comparison now. Ripple versus Bitcoin. Bitcoin is completely decentralized. No company controls Bitcoin, and transactions are verified through mining using proof of work. That process is slow and energy heavy. Ripple takes a different approach. It uses trusted validator nodes, basically approved participants that confirm transactions through consensus. This means that it is much faster and more energy efficient, but also more centralized. And that's where the debate begins. Ripple acts as a bridge between different currencies. Let's say you want to send US dollars to Japan. Normally, that will go through multiple banks and take days. Ripple instantly converts the currency using XRP as a middle layer, completing the transaction in seconds. That's why many institutions are interested. And big names like Santander, American Express, Standard Chartered, Google Ventures, and MoneyGram have all worked with or invested in Ripple. So let's talk now about the pros of Ripple. The speed. Transactions happen in just a few seconds. Low fees. Cross-border transfers cost almost nothing. Bank adoption. Ripple is one of the few cryptos with real support from traditional finance. And Ripple has real utility because it's already being used for international payments. The global banking system is massive but also outdated, and Ripple is positioning itself as the bridge that modernizes the system. Now, let's have a look at the downsides. Centralization. Ripple Labs still holds around 70% of all XRP. That gives them a huge influence over the supply. Limited access. Regular users can't use the full Ripple banking network. It's mostly institutional. Ripple kind of goes against the crypto philosophy because many in the crypto world see Ripples as the banker's coin. regulatory challenges, Ripple has faced multiple lawsuits, most famously with the US SEC, which questioned whether XRP was a security. Still, despite all of that, Ripple continues to grow and attract new partners. Let's have a look now at the supply and investment view. The total supply of XRP is capped at 100 billion tokens, with roughly half already in circulation. There is no mining. New XRP is released gradually from escrow accounts, and some investors see the control of Ripple over the supply as a problem, while others view it as a stability. Personally, I think XRP could be a strong long-term play if Ripple keeps building partnerships and wins full regulatory clarity. Ripple is a fascinating project, one that connects the world of crypto with the world of traditional banking. But the real question is, does that make it safer or less crypto? Let me know your thoughts in the comment about it. And if you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to like it, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. I will be uploading almost every day, giving you a big knowledge and my point of view about the crypto world and investing. Okay guys, this is Marc Asset, your Italian investor. Thanks for watching and see you with the next video. Ciao!